Danke bafowethu, welcome back to Mkhulisokha. Nangu uVino uthathe iy'thombe bafowethu zakaVelebali laphana, uVelebali njengoba aqala laphana ebhentshini. Let's hope i-pressure bafowethu yokuya ku-Kaizer Chiefs ingam-attack-i kakhulu umfana, because already uma ngimbheka ngiyabona ukuthi u-emotional namhlanje. Ngathi khona into atshelwe yona ukuthi kune-chance ukuthi udlale ube ready physically and mentally ukuthi ube ready, because millions and millions of people will be watching. I mean, isitori sakaVelebali bafowethu si-emotional kakhulu. 2 years ku-Kaizer Chiefs bemfuna, but-ke inqaba ngayo i-Cape Town Spurs, but namhlanje amaphupho ayafezeka. Naye maybe bekanama-doubt at some point ukuthi mhlampe ngeke ayithole i-opportunity yokudlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, but namhlanje konke lokho kuphelile. Ama-doubts, ukulala angazi ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani, i-P_S_L, isafa, kuyaliwa, but-ke namhlanje iphupho lakhe bafowethu, ngisho umndeni wakhe u-proud, ngisho abangani bakhe ba-proud, ngisho wonke umuntu o-around yena bafowethu u-proud, uyafuna ukumbona egrawundini noma angathola u-5 minutes. I saw something futhi lapha under uVino bafowethu, omunye umuntu ethi uModi sezoqala ukuba serious. Yes, ama-player a-Kaizer Chiefs kumele abe serious amaningi manje, asikho isikhathi sokudlala ngempela, akekho umuntu oncengwayo, because i-squad esikhulu banaso, i-depth banayo, banabo abafana aba-hungry, aba-ready ukuthatha ama-opportunities whenever they are given. But sometimes ijezi lisinda kakhulu le-Kaizer Chiefs. You might be a star where you're coming from, but when you get to Kaizer Chiefs, hayi izinto azifani bafowethu. I mean, ayikho i-pressure enje e-South Africa. I remember this one time I'm reporting iMamelodi Sundowns, abantu futhi bakwata kabi abantu that day ngiripota ngale nto le, ngithi ngiyakhumbula bafowethu last season, makuphela isizini, ngithi amagame aku-P_S_L why bangawa-achieve-tanga, because iMamelodi Sundowns idlala i-Champions League final. Abantu be-Kaizer Chiefs bebakwate kabi that time, bangitshela bathi no, thina sisupport i-team yethu, sifuna ukubona i-team yethu. Iy'ndaba zo-Sundowns akube ezi-Sundowns le eceleni ukuthi i-P_S_L yenza kanjani. So that's the pressure and that's the lokhunjani, the spotlight that you get when you play for Kaizer Chiefs. Uvuka ukora namhlanje ebusuku, i-first goal yakho, uvuka impilo yakho seyitshentshile, ngeke iphinde ifane, because ukore ku-Kaizer Chiefs wabawinisa. So uba yi-saver yabo for that moment bafowethu, and then abantu ama-moments amakhulu ngeke bawakhohlwe. I mean, isitori sakaVelebali kumele sibe archived. Why ngisho kanje bafowethu? Hey, sorry, matafula enzani manje? Why ngithi isitori sakaVelebali siku-archived? I mean, what has happened to yena? Ngathi Hollywood story. I mean, yeah. Na at some point I remember baqeda ukurelegate laphana ku-P_S_L, i-Cape Town lokhunjana, Spurs inqaba ngayithi no akayindawo uVelebali nesi-Kaizer Chiefs ikhipha le mali le abayifunayo. uVelebali waze watshela nabazali bakhe ukuthi abacela ukuthi bokhuluma ne-Cape Town Spurs. Cape Town Spurs still yathi no, awuyindawo i-Kaizer Chiefs mayingakhiphi le mali. Bakhetha ukuthi a-relegate umfana ayele phansi ehlathini. Namhlanje warm up for the first time empilweni yakhe, laphana ku-match day, and ku-match day squad laphana e-FNB Stadium. The pressure is on Velebali, but the biggest question is he ready mentally and physically? Cabanga ukuthi abantu base-Cape Town bajabule ukubona one of their own eku-Kaizer Chiefs. The platform is greater, is larger than life bafowethu. The energies, isitori lesisaqale eSoweto, but namhlanje celebrate iSouth Africa yonke. Once you are given an opportunity to play for this massive team, global brand, you have to take your opportunities. So uVelebali mengakwazi ukumisela emotionally, angazi ukuthi i-psyche yakhe ikuphi in terms of ukucabanga ukuthi yena ucabangani umfana i-moment engaka, because i-moment enkulu kakhulu empilweni yakhe, ukuthi ucabangani ngayo yonke le moment le. But if he can handle i-moment efana nale, you will be immortal, ngeke simkhohle, usiyomkhumbula for the next 50 years if uzokwazi ukushayina ku-Kaizer Chiefs. But indlela yakhe iqala namhlanje, ngathi uzodlala noma uzothola ama-few minutes, noma sombona nge-weekend. Kwazi ama-coach laphana ebhentshini ukuthi azoshape kanjani. Danko bafowethu, cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure bafowethu ukuthi le page ifika ku-15,000 subscribers. Velebali, you are welcome. Noma ngithi welcome to Kaizer Chiefs eNaturen. Bafana bokuthula noxolo. Umfana wase-Cape Town seze wafika madoda eSoweto.